How to get started with SafeWalk and 24/7 Assist. With Verizon Family Plus, you and your loved ones get extra security on the go. During a SafeWalk session, emergency contacts you designate get live location updates. If you're feeling unsafe along the way, live agents are just a tap away using the 24/7 Assist feature and can alert emergency services on your behalf. When you alert 24/7 Assist, a live agent will call you to assess the situation and dispatch 911 if needed. Let's take a look at how to set up SafeWalk and 24/7 Assist. Open the Verizon Family app on your device or help a family member with theirs. From the home screen, look for 24/7 Assist and tap on it. Take a moment to walk through the features. If you're an existing SafeWalk user, you'll skip some setup steps. When you're ready, begin the setup. At least one emergency contact is required to use the SafeWalk and 24/7 Assist functions. Emergency contacts can be any direct family member or anyone who provides caregiving. As the primary family guardian or caregiver, you are the default emergency contact for your dependents. Next, create and confirm a PIN that will be used for canceling a SafeWalk SOS. This will be used if 24/7 Assist is not enabled. To enable professional monitoring with 24/7 Assist, review the details and agree to the terms. Confirm your contact information and add your address. Once complete, you're all set. You can now alert 24/7 Assist directly from your home screen. To send a direct alert, just tap on 24/7 Assist from the home screen. Use the slider to alert 24/7 Assist. Stand by for a call from them. In some cases, this might be as quick as 10 seconds. Once you're on the line with a 24/7 Assist agent, they will help assess the situation. If they cannot reach you after 2 attempts, they'll send 911 to your location. Emergency contacts will receive updates on the alert status with push notifications and SMS. They can keep an eye on the map in the Verizon Family app and quickly get directions to the most recent location. Depending on the urgency of the situation, 24/7 Assist agents might suggest initiating a conference call with your emergency contacts to discuss important decisions together, like the need for 911 dispatch. You can also alert 24/7 Assist during a SafeWalk session. Tap on SafeWalk from the home screen. This will share your live location with the emergency contacts you designated. All emergency contacts will get a notification that a SafeWalk session is in progress and can follow your location on the map. During the SafeWalk session, you can see which emergency contacts are viewing your location. Let them know when you arrive safely by tapping Mark as Safe. Or if you're feeling unsafe, tap the 24/7 Assist button. Use the slider to alert 24/7 Assist. Once you send an alert, a 24/7 Assist live agent will call you to determine the next course of action, including contacting 911 to dispatch to your location if needed or requested by you.